Human beings are social creatures, and for these constant communicators, staying at home is no small feat. This week, we take a glimpse into the habits of some of these organisms to see how they have adapted to the restrictions of their environment.
Hearing the doorbell is an exhilarating time for the male in lockdown. He doesn't remember what he's ordered, so the mystery along with the excitement of seeing another human being makes this the highlight of his day. Hungry, he checks his fridge for the 5th time this morning. Typically, he would consume alcohol at weekends after 8 p.m, but given that times and days are no longer relative, he settles for a bottle of vodka and a whole packet of biscuits for his breakfast.
While many creatures occupy their time with the same tasks, each individual interprets the challenge differently.
Here we have an adult female human in her new environment. She is performing an activity that historically was not done in such high frequency. In performing this ritual, she methodically checks every item, ensuring it is prepared to be dirtied once again. Based on her general appearance, it seems the standard combination of materials has changed to provide more comfort and less congruity.
Efficient use of space. The chair use is quite ingenious. And his hair looks quite shampooed. Is that a dress on the hanger too? Yeah, he looks quite domesticated.
Not very efficient. Crazy knees. Things are going on the floor. Not very good. Hopefully the sun might be able to permeate the layers of clothing there. Look at him. What the hell is he doing? Good God. It's getting on the floor now. My dear. Jesus. Yeah, walk away.
Smashed it.
Here we see Dad in his natural habitat. You can just about see him amongst the greenery. It is important to entertain his family. This is his way of making music, which also is a way to keep intruders away. This is how Dad claps for our key workers using his everyday tools, a hammer and a spade.
Many are turning to fitness as a strategy for maintaining any semblance of a routine.
When this individual heard about the lockdown, they saw it as an opportunity for self-improvement, to start doing yoga and journaling, to exercise and meditate, learn new skills and practice old ones, to finally tidy the house and start eating healthy. In reality, they just play Zelda all day.
Here in the living room, the daytime habitat of many non-essential workers, we see that this particular human paper pusher is waiting for other staff members to arrive to the Zoom meeting. While already familiar with the rest of the herd's Instagram posts, the compulsion to scroll proves uncontrollable. Everyone else has crocheted rainbow plant warmers for the vulnerable cacti of postal workers, but this specimen hasn't even taken her Halloween decorations down yet.
Many humans reside in interspecies households. This can lead to conflict when it comes to dinner time.
Waking up in lockdown is always a surprise. Is it Tuesday? Is it Friday? For most humans, it doesn't matter. Many humans use lockdown to complete unfinished tasks. This male has managed to complete his 3rd game today with 100% achievements. During lockdown, the average human can spend up to 5 hours a day looking out of the window and wondering if the people outside have good reason to be there.